Live from the Farm Show, I am Barbara Shindo. We are coming at you from the main hall at the Farm Show because here Penn State Health is partnering with the Department of Health to give out free flu shots all week during the Farm Show from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at our booth in the main hall. I am here with Jamie Zink, who is a registered nurse at Penn State Health. Jamie, thank you so much for joining us. She's going to talk to us a little bit about why you should get the flu vaccine, what people should know during flu season. So let's start with why should everybody get a flu vaccine?
Getting a flu vaccine is the single most easiest preventative measure you can take to just prevent spreading the disease. Right now we have a very bad epidemic starting. It's coming across. There's a couple of regions in our area that are getting hit pretty hard. If you get the flu vaccine, you're preventing spreading it to your family, friends. It's a good idea.
What are some other things people should know during flu season to help protect themselves and their loved ones from getting the flu?
Well, especially big events like this, like the Farm Show, where you're around a large crowd or lots of people where there's maybe not the best hand hygiene. Take preventative measures. If you're feeling sick, don't come out in a big, large crowd like this and expose other people. Stay home. You can do it another day. Wear a mask if you're around someone who's immunocompromised. Just basic hand hygiene.
So getting the flu vaccine is the number one most preventative thing you can do. And then you would recommend hand washing, right?
Yes.
Frequent hand washing.
Yes. Frequent hand washing and coughing into the corner of your arm, not coughing or sneezing straight out.
They call that the vampire cough.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, I just knew it was something on Elmo or something,
So I know that some people are a little bit hesitant sometimes to get a flu shot because they believe that getting the flu shot might give them the flu. Is there any truth to that?
No, there is not. You cannot get the flu from the flu shot. You are protecting yourself from the flu. You may get another virus of the flu, like another strain of the virus, but you're not going to get as sick as you would have if you had not gotten the flu shot at all. So it's very important to just get it.
Are there any known side effects that somebody might experience after getting a flu shot?
Typically, the thing that we notice the most is somebody will get like a heavy, weighted feeling on the arm where we give it. We typically give it on the opposite arm of your dominant hand, just because it does get a little stiff and tender. The biggest side effect you'd have to worry about would be like lightheaded or dizziness or vision changes. You would definitely want to call your doctor. Other than that, we're pretty much squared away.
So it's very safe.
It's very safe, yes.
Good. Again, we are coming to you live from the Farm Show. We are located in the main hall, kind of back in the corner near the East Hall. But if you want to come get a free flu shot, Penn State Health and the Department of Health, along with HighMark Health, are offering free flu shots all week long from 10 to 6. You don't need an appointment.
No.
You don't need an insurance card. You can just get your milkshake in the food court, and then you can come over here and get a flu shot.
I know. And we've had a lot of people here, even from Michigan, New Jersey, all over getting their flu shots. This is a great opportunity to spread the word and get everybody vaccinated.
Absolutely. Thank you again so much for joining us. Is there anything else I didn't ask about the flu that you think is important for people to know?
I think the biggest thing is just don't be afraid of it. There's really nothing to be afraid of.
Oh, I did just think of one. I know some people say that they've gotten the flu shot, but then also gotten the flu, so that's made them a little bit skeptical. But is it true that even if you get a flu shot and get the flu, it will be you'll be a little less sick? It won't be as drastic?
Yes, it really does lessen the effects. Absolutely. Okay. But there are different strains of the flu that we do not have in this flu vaccine. We can't predict not we, but nobody can predict all the strains of the flu that will be in there, but we try to use the data and hit the most common ones.
Okay, so the takeaways are don't be afraid of your flu vaccine. Your arm might be a little bit sore, but it's really the best thing you can do to protect yourself and your loved ones from getting sick this season.
And if you have any respiratory illnesses or anything, it's a very good idea to make sure you're covered or immunocompromised. Make sure you have the flu vaccine so you don't get a respiratory illness on top of everything else.
Well, thank you so much, Jamie. Thank you again for joining us. And for those of you watching, feel free to share this, spread the word. Come get a free flu shot here at the Farm Show. Again, we're in the main hall. Just look there's a Department of Health sign on the ceiling. There are free flu shot signs on the ceiling that will help direct you to this booth, again, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day through the rest of the Farm Show. Stop out and get your free flu shot.
See you soon.